How to sign up or create Coinbase account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how to sign up or create a Coinbase account on your device. So to begin with, first thing first, you know the drill. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and open up any web browser of your choice. After you open up your web browser, on the web address bar, type in the link or paste in the link, that is www.coinbase.com. You can also find a link on my description box below. If you're using a mobile phone, then there's no difference between creating an account from a web browser or using an application. So the procedure will remain the same. All you need to do is just follow the steps. After you type in the link, you'll be taken to its official page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So to create an account, click on the Get Started button located in the upper right hand side corner. Now you'll begin with the enrollment page. First of all, you need to provide in your personal information. So enter in your first name and a last name, email address, and create a password according to the criteria. So quickly enter in all of these information. After you're done creating all of these information, mark on the terms and conditions and click on create free account right at the bottom. So to verify your email address, a verification code has been sent. You need to check your inbox. As you can see that I've received a verification email. Just open up your email and then click on verify email address. After you're done verifying your email, for the two-step verification, you'll need to enter in your phone number. For that, first of all, select the country's code. After you're done entering your country's code, enter in your phone number. Once again, you need to verify your phone number. For that, a verification code will be sent through an SMS. So enter in the verification code. Once done entering your verification code, click on submit. Now you'll need to verify your identification. For that, you need to click on submit or select the country's code, or select your country where you're actually residing or where you actually belong to. So to verify your identification, now you'll need to enter in your date of birth, your home address. So quickly enter in all of these information. Once you're done entering all of these information, scroll down a bit and click on the continue button. On the other page, if the information provided is valid, then you'll be asked to review all of the information and click on the submit button once again. As soon as you click on the submit button, then you'll be logged in or you'll be taken to the home page, which indicates that you have successfully created an account on Coinbase. In this way, you can create a Coinbase account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.